Welcome. Today, we're going to walk through a simple and quick way to remove a star from emails in the Gmail app. Perfect if you want to keep your inbox organized and clutter-free. Whether you accidentally starred an email or just want to tidy up your starred messages, this updated method will help you do it in no time. First, open the Gmail app on your phone or tablet. Once you're inside, look to the top left corner of the screen and tap the menu icon, which looks like 3 horizontal lines, sometimes called the hamburger menu. This will open a sidebar with different options for navigating your Gmail account. Next, scroll through the menu and tap on Starred. This section shows all the emails you've marked with a star, making it easy to find and manage them in one place. Now, find the email from which you want to remove the star. To select the email, simply press and hold on it. You'll notice it becomes highlighted, indicating it's selected. This long press activates additional options for managing that message. After selecting the email, look for the 3 vertical dots icon, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on these dots to open a small menu with more actions you can take on the selected email. From this menu, tap on Remove Star. Instantly, the star will disappear from the email, and it will no longer appear in your starred folder. This helps you keep only the most important or relevant emails starred, making your inbox easier to navigate. And that's it. Removing a star from emails in the Gmail app is straightforward and efficient. By following these simple steps, opening the app, navigating to starred, selecting the email, and choosing to remove the star, you can manage your starred messages like a pro. Thanks for watching, and be sure to keep your inbox organized with these handy tips.